assumption that, okay, we offered something far away. So we were looking at a lands far away, 18 and 19 exits, because that could be affordable. That was our thought process. So we were looking at it, one land we were extremely close by, went by and we just dropped it. Things did not work. Okay, fine. We went back to the drawing board and we started off the 24-hour meditation thinking that, okay, now we have to raise our group energy. And one message came clearly, I think, from among all the people is, don't reject anything. Just surrender. Right? These are the two things. We were applying a little logical mind, right? Just surrender to the process, don't reject anything. And I think universe tested us in January. It showed us one land which is 45 minutes away, 5 acre, but it was some 4 to 5 acre land, same budget. It showed us. We know that it is not meant to be, but it was testing. So we said, yes, let's go for it. And we went for it. The moment I said yes to the broker, the realtor, a new land came up. The new land is even tougher. It's actually within coming. So that's again a different situation. Within coming, 630K some price, fully residential. We know that it doesn't work, but we actually fought for it. We went for a bidding to go for highest price because we know it is not logical. But I am not going to look at logical. We bid it, and the moment we submitted a bid, this land opened. That's how it. And even this land was also not ready yet until I think of some of the masters that I don't want to name them right now, but they did a lot of energy work to convince the land, to convince Bhumata to say that yes, we are ready, and we asked for a permission. Right? Those things happened. This is one level, one thread. And another thread was we are always looking at it. How can we make the land? I mean, is it like a donation based? Is a donation based sustainable? Long term, always, Narasimha always says, whatever you do, make it self-sustainable. Right? We always says, yeah, but we'll try to do it. But somewhere always the back of the mind. He said, right, but what do I do? Then suddenly, last time GK sir came. When I went to pick up GK sir from Nashville route, I saw lands, the commercial lands. I felt like taking them. I know I couldn't afford, but I thought, okay, let me go for it. The moment I talked to the broker, then I realized, I think I'm looking at the wrong parameters. 3-4 acres, everything is fine. Why did I made up my mind that residential? No. It has to be closest to our place. It has to create a maximum impact. Then we start, okay, fine. No borders, 3 to 4 acres, whatever is permissible. And this land opened up. This is actually commercial land. And then all the self-sustenance works. It works for everyone, 30 minutes drive. And we could build a pyramid, that's a free. And we could build an academy. An academy can be actually, you could use it to, basically generate revenues. So that actually opened up. And then started realizing from a PSM perspective, 3 principles. Yeah, energy works. But a lot of people, right, even after energy, still not fully get a real enlightenment because the other principles are not fully followed with regards to the wisdom and Sachara Sangha. And this is open, sir. So this is an energy portal. And that would be a knowledge portal. So that's how the energy portal, knowledge portal will combine. That's how we are looking at it. So again, maybe we did only 1% of the work. And the rest of the things just started. But we realized, this is a template for anyone. Do not put logical mind. Just surrender. Keep working on it. Even if it fails, it's okay. Just working on it. If you let it fail, what happens? Now someone is going to kick me out, that's okay. But let it fail. I think the lesser logical mind you use, the better success it is. That is what we have learned. So now at this stage, we got at least a commitment for a funding for 700K. So we just have 150K gap. So 850K is the money that we have to give it to the lender. And we have some 3-4 weeks to go. And we are sure, I'm 1000% confident that we'll get that money. So I know if plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, I have all the plans. But I'm not going through the logical mind. I know it will work. So, but we're very, very, very close. This all happened within like 1 to 2 months. So what I'm trying to say is, all the masters played a role. Physical, astral, and it's been there from many years. Energy plays a lot of role. We have to lift up more energy, and we know that there's more energy work needs to be done. And after all this, we have to do a lot of groundwork. So groundwork is also important. That's what I felt. Law of thought, law of vibration is important, but there is a law of action. That's also important. So if law of action is not there, it doesn't work. law if only law of action is there, it doesn't work because you don't have a correct law of thought and vibration. So both needs to be there, and I think with that we're very close to making it.
Yeah, I think just to add to his thing, I think we challenge Praveen at every corner, nook and corner. Just to make sure that we are responsibly doing this. And I would say, again, I'll repeat this. If somebody wants to learn art of possible, go reach out to Praveen. We took that as a challenge in a sporty way, went around, spent midnight oil, came back, said that no, you're proving wrong, that this is good. I think the biggest credit goes for Praveen for helping us find this land, and big kudos to Praveen.
So the road నుంచి ఇక్కడ కాకుండా
Yes, please. Yes. So this is such a part. And then I started reading the records of this land. So the 10 years ago, these owners, the residential owners, told that we're okay to have our neighbors to have commercial operations, but there are some conditions. The building height cannot go very far, but the last building can have a higher height, which is about 50 feet. 50 feet is the highest permissible in Forsyth County in this, and that's exactly matches to our 72, then 63 base. So that is again another foundation number. 72 and 63, there are two numbers what we're thinking. We'll have to figure out. That's another. Second, we're okay to have a commercial operation, but it cannot have flat roof. It has to be, there is a certain term, but one of the permittable combination is the pyramid rooftop, because all of these houses, right, they are not a flat shape. They're more of a pyramid shape, right? So only those kind of commercial operations are permitted. Normally you don't have such a commercial operations in that. So that's again I felt that. So look, their condition and the landmark conditions are ideally designed like, I mean, their thoughts. I mean, definitely we have to respect their thoughts. Their thoughts, our vibrations, our thoughts attracted us to this particular land. So, with law of action. So, I mean, I just wanted to see spirituality is not theory, it is in real, is what I wanted to say. And I'm just I would say, no, I mean, I know you are giving a lot of credit, but I'm only the TV. But the real circuit is this guy, and Shirisha, and Sheetal, and Srikanth. So, no matter whatever they say, their circuit, they just don't, they're probably not seen outside. I'm just a TV, that's all. There is nothing. And Lakshmi Garu, and so many people who are, they will operate from backbone. So, but that's why it is not one person, it is not even Apma show, it is a universal project working through us by us. That's all. We're just a vessels, but trying to work. That's all it is.
It's all about the collective consciousness. It's Apma is our kid now. We have to raise this kid. It's a PSS daughter. Apma is a daughter of.
And the generator and power is Arun.
Yeah.
Apma Arun.
24 hours generating.
Yeah, 24 hours.
Let's do meditation for 5 minutes. 5 minutes meditation. Yeah.